Matthew Ladd here. This week I want to tell you about a little factory option that can go a long way in keeping your truck clean. This is the Airline fitting for an air chuck air gun. So from factory, I'm on the driver's side of the truck, you can get this right here, mounted next to the driver's seat. You'll see there's the little fitting, and behind it you can see the Airline. And what's that used for, you might ask? It's to add this right here, a 10-foot extension with a little air gun. So this allows you to easily get all the dust out of your truck without having to vacuum, without having to wipe it down. You just take the little Airline and you spray all the dust off your dash, off your seats, off the floor. So whether you're in a construction application, a high dust application, or you just like to keep your truck clean, consider adding this from factory with your Kenworth truck. I'll put the sales code in the description of this video. That's Group Kenworth Montreal TNT, Trucks and Tips, and I'm Matthew Ladd. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you.